Hi, my name is Maria and you are on Lady Maria 51 channel. Today we're going to prepare something very easy. We're going to make some peanut popsicle. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients are half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of sugar, 1 can of evaporated milk, and the same amount of water. In the blender, we add half a cup of peanut butter. Now we're going to add half a cup of sugar. Add an evaporated milk. Now this can of evaporated milk is going to be added water, which is the 1 can of water. Add the can of water. Now let's mix. The mixture is ready. Now what we're going to do is add the mix in these molds. These molds are for making popsicle or ice cream popsicle. This mix fills 2 molds of this, but we are going to fill 1 mold. Let's add the mixture. We continue filling, and remember that we will place this in the fridge for several hours until freezing. And here we will fill it. Now what we're going to do is that we will cover them with this little cap that has this stick. This stick is for making popsicle. Let's cover. As I told you before, this popsicle will go in the fridge for several hours until they freeze, and we will have our peanut popsicle. We already have our popsicle. We already took them out of the freezer. We pour a little water on it from the bottom here to be able to remove the popsicle. Look how the popsicle turned out. Look how pretty. And here are the peanut popsicle. Look how cute and delicious they taste. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel Lady Maria 51 and activate the bell. See you in the next video.